Hey guys, it's me, Tina Marie, with True Meaning of Radiance. Today's video is actually going to be a jewelry review. Y'all, I'm so excited to show you this jewelry. I actually got it from Jeulia. It's a premium artisan jewelry. This is the box, y'all. I already opened it. Like, I have no patience. And I've been waiting for it to come. The cool thing is actually sterling silver. So, you know, if you wear fake jewelry, you get that ring and all that green ring around you. No, this is sterling silver, so you'll be fine. And it just came in this box. I know y'all want to see it. You gotta wait a minute. Give it as a gift. If you give it as a gift, since the holiday, I definitely recommend it. You can put your gift in here. They offer rings, they offer earrings, they offer necklaces. So you have a sterling silver lover in your life, you definitely need to check them out. I'll leave all the information below and their current deals, because they're always offering discounts, and y'all know I live for the discount. Ow. So you definitely can get a discount. And then if you receive an item, let's say it doesn't fit, you can return it, and when you return it, you will get refunded. But there is a refund policy if you take the sticker off, because there is a certain sticker that is put on the item. If it is removed, then you cannot return the item. Only fair. So yeah, that is the return policy. And they gave me a little coupon for next time I shop. Thank you for your purchase. Here's an exclusive 15 off 100 or 50 off 200. So yeah, I got that coupon too. And again, this is the bag if you want to give it as a gift. Now, this is the item that Jeulia right here. Super cute. And as you can see, I got a little ring. I'm so excited. Wait till you guys see this ring. And I wanted to show you this first before I show you the ring, because it's right here. You can't see it yet. This is the little, you know, the little thing. Once it's removed, then it can't be returned. And the ring I actually got it in the wrong size. Like, let me tell you what happened, okay? I had the right size, I thought. But my measuring thing was saying like 7.5. And then I ended up getting a 7, and I should have got, no, it said almost to a 7.5, and I should have just got the 7.5, but whatever. This is what it looks like, y'all. Like, can we get in there? Yes, this is what my ring looks like. She is so pretty, like she's blinding. They use what is called like the Jeulia stone. So this is not real diamonds in it. This is not real diamonds, it's Jeulia stone. Because like a ring like this would be like what, 12, 13, $14,000. Like, no, not right now. But this is my hater blocker ring. Basically, when someone thinks I'm married, because guys, as you know, I'm separated right now and about to be getting a divorce. If you didn't know, shocker, now you know. But yeah, I'm gonna still be wearing it on the ring finger and be like, I got a man. I'm married, you know. So that's why I chose this one. And just so you guys know, like this little set, because it is a bridal set, so you do get the main ring, and then you have the bridal band, and it normally goes for $150. I'm actually reading about it on the site right now. This is their Halo Radiant Cut Sterling Silver Enhancer ring set. So it is a complete set. It's absolutely beautiful. I love it. I love it. Again, I just wish I would have got a 7.5. But that's fine. With me losing more weight, it's gonna probably end up falling off anyway. And y'all, the reviews are amazing. Like if you go on their website, you can look up all their reviews, and you get your order within about 5 to 7 business days. So that's not bad at all. So if you're just starting out and you want to propose to a girl, or you want to propose to a guy, because girls is doing that these days, you could actually get you a starter ring to start off. Or let's say you want to keep the real jewels locked up. A lot of people do that too. They don't want to go around with a very expensive ring on. You go ahead and lock up the jewels, and you can have one of these, and it looks really expensive, even though it's, I think this ring is everything. The ring fits just fine. The problem I had actually was just with the band part, and that's on my end because I ordered the wrong size. I ordered a 7 instead of upping it to a 7.5. So that was on me, because look, well, I got it on today. When I put it on a couple weeks ago, it didn't work, but now today it want to prove me wrong. But yeah, there's the band. As you can tell though, it's still a little tight right here. So yeah, 7.5 would have been perfect, but that's the band, and this is the ring. So this is what it looks like completely on, guys. No, I'm taking, bye bye. You know what I mean? So got my hater blocker ring on. So Let me stop. But guys, definitely check out Jeulias. I'll leave all the information below, all the coupons. Get you some jewelry. Holidays are coming. Get some for your mama, get some for your daddy, get some for your cousins, get some for your sister, get some for your brother. And if you want to propose, I mean, and you want to get you a little starter set because you don't know if she's going to act right or he going to act right, get a starter set just in case they act a fool. You ain't put too much money into it. Definitely check her out. It's Jeulia. Remember, rate, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.